I'm so excited to have back with us today. We have Michael Sandoval we've got Above and Beyond Pools Remodeling. But okay, I'm so excited. You were telling me about you're doing your veteran giveaway thing. So first of all, tell people a little bit about Above and Beyond.
So Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling, we are a locally veteran operated swimming pool company here. We remodel swimming pools in the Phoenix metro area.
And do a great job at it.
We like to think so.
No, I know so. You guys are fantastic. You've done my yard, my pool, amazing.
We did.
Don't sell yourself short on that.
So basically we want to talk about our veteran giveaways. This is the first year since the pandemic that we restarted up the veteran giveaways again.
Wow.
And the veteran giveaway, it's very simple, to be a company that stands behind something, stands behind, but actually stands in front of our flag.
Yeah.
We actually give a remodel or a pool build away.
And I don't crazy.
And I don't use the word deserving veteran because in my opinion, they're all deserving.
Yeah.
But we go through and we screen these veterans and we try to pick the best one that we can pick, and it's so hard sometimes. And this last time it was a U.S. Marine. We haven't had a U.S. Marine yet. I'm a little biased to the U.S. Marines, but we hadn't had one yet. So I was excited. Awesome. This pool happens to be in San Antonio, Texas, and we're about 80% done with the pool. And we'll be unveiling that here pretty quick, probably in March, early March.
Okay.
But we're just excited about it because we not only say that we're a veteran, that we back our veterans, that we stand behind our veterans, but we do things for our veterans, okay? We offer veteran discounts. Awesome. We stand behind our veterans. We support a lot of veteran funds in the Valley. And more importantly, we do the veteran giveaways. And this is the third one now that we're doing. So we're pumped up. We're excited. And
you got me all excited.
Yeah. And so that's what we wanted to talk about today.
I think that's fantastic. Well, there are so many people that need your services, but I thank you for all of that you're doing because it is amazing, and not many people will stand behind and do it. They can talk the talk, but you're definitely walking the walk. So thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. It's our honor to support our veterans and our military because they served, and in most cases, gave the ultimate sacrifice, which is their life.
Yeah.
So we're honored. It's a great honor for us, and great honor for us being on your show. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.